Okay guys, we brought Nyha and Lala here to feed the ducks here at the park on this beautiful day. Hi Nyha, hi Lala.
Hey guys, today we're going to be feeding some ducks and riding the hoverboard. Come here. Oh my god. Oh look, the birds. There's more birds.
Oh, that's a crow right there. There goes the ducks way over there. Here comes one.
Take some yummy bread.
Wait, let it come up to you. Look guys.
And these are real ducks, not a green screen.
Such a pretty day. Oh, wait. Give it a little bit at a time, girls, so that way we can have the ducks come up to you. Girls, you think we might see some turtles or some fishes down there?
Wait, is there turtles in here?
They on the other side over there. We'll go the other side. Yes.
Let's go. Look at.
No, let's wait a few seconds here. Have a little bit of fun. Oh, there's some birds right there. Those are crows. There's the ducks eating. Look at that one, Lala. See that duck right there? It's coming up to you. Okay, save that for the other ones because you guys gave it plenty of bread. Oh my goodness. They are going to be excited. Watch when we kind of like move a little, I guarantee you they're going to come up. Because they're going to come get this. Oh, these other birds over here are getting it. Somebody riding out there. Do you hear that?
Yep. And guys, if you want to know
Where are we at?
we are at Lago. We're at the Lago Lake.
You see it coming, Nyha? So look at that. Over there, that crow is going to try to get the bread. Oh, you got some bread right there.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Oh, look at the ducks coming closer, girls.
Wait a minute. I think those aren't crows.
What are those? I don't know the name of them, but I thought they were. Hey, look it! A fish came and got it. The bread. I told you.
Where?
Stay right here. A little fish. We really can't see it down there. Wait, Lala. Let's see.
There it is.
Do you see anything?
Yeah, I saw something. I don't.
Yes, it'll come up. Don't throw any more so that way we can see it. Because you guys have enough food in there already.
I still have more food.
Yes, just save it. Don't give it any more because you guys got plenty of bread over there. Oh, either that's a duck or that was a fish.
Duck.
Oh. Oh my goodness, let's go see. What's over there?
Something's
Those
in
are
there.
fish.
Oh my god, they're like a black one. Black fishy. They're black.
They're huge. They're big. They're making a lot of noise. Don't go down there, Lala.
I can't really see.
Guys, we literally heard some fish.
Yeah, a black one.
Okay, so right down there, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a bunch of little tadpoles,
I
like
can see it.
hundreds of them things. Hundreds of tadpoles.
Tiny.
They're tiny, huh, Lala?
They're right by that little black line thing.
Wow, there's a bunch.
No, I don't want to. No, over here, we can make a leaf pile. No, thank you. Hi, guys. Oh, now I can see more taller where the things are. Oh my god, I see a lot. Where that water bottle is. Whoa, there's a lot. Oh my gosh, there's a lot. You guys might not be able to see them. I think they might be tadpoles. Frogs, maybe?
There's so many.
Wow.
What do you think about that, Lala?
And guys,
Lots of them, right?
guys, do you see all of that trash in there? Do you see all that trash? That's not good for the animals because they could choke on it.
Polluting is not good. Oh, there's a big fish right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's swimming right by that pipe.
Oh my god, I could see it. Oh my
Those
god.
are huge fishes.
Oh, that's so cool. I will come here.
Right there, hoping they can see right there. Let's see, let me try to zoom in. Nope, they can't see. It's too the water.
Mama,
Hi.
we're gonna go make a fall thing with all the leaves. Leaf pile. That's my favorite thing to do on fall. Come on, Mama. Well, this is a big tree.
Oh, guys, what do we hear up there? Oh,
An airplane right there.
well, that's a big airplane up there flying.
Come on, Mama, let's go make a fall pile, a leaf pile. Come on.
You think you guys have enough leaves to make a snow angel out of the leaves?
Maybe. Come on. You mean
You think?
more like fall angel?
Hear that airplane? Hi, Nyha. Did you hear that airplane?
Yes, it's very loud.
Yes. I'm going to see if I can get a view. Oh, look, guys, over there. Look at those airplanes. Such a beautiful view.
This is a tree. It's like, it's just
So you girls are going to try? Be careful. I think that other tree is lower over there, but it's much closer to the water.
Guys, this looks like an eye.
Let's see, guys.
Eyes all over. Don't they look like eyes?
Ah.
Oh, this one looks like a big, gigantic eye.
So, guys, Nyha's going to really try to climb this little tree right here. And Lala, you're going to try to attempt, but be careful.
I did it.
You did it. Cool.
I love climbing trees. I'm a panda.
Let's see. Hold on.
I'm a panda.
Hi, Lala.
Hi, I'm a panda.
Hi, Nyha.
Okay. Let's go to our other tree, our favorite one. Oh, it's over there. No? Our other tree's on that side, Lala.
She wants to go to that one over there, but it's a little close to the water.
Yeah, I want to do that.
Yes, I think we should just kind of be a little careful. There she goes running.
Oh my gosh. I love to climb trees and I love the lava park. And I always find the way down. Pretty sturdy. Made it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
You did it, Lala.
I did it too.
You did it, Nyha.
I always make sure it's sturdy enough for my body.
Yes, these trees are pretty strong. These are pretty trees right now. Pretty soon the leaves will be falling once it gets a little colder.
Oh, It'll turn yellow, then orange. Green to yellow to orange. And red.
There's these little birds. They call them quails. And they're right there. I'm trying to get them as best as I can. They're trying to get into the... Oh, they're getting water. They're actually drinking water. Let's see. Do you think, Nyha? You see the quails right there?
Yes.
They're drinking water. You see how you can't really see. They're against the wall. See their little heads?
Oh yeah, I do. We did.
There they go.
All the quail.
Yes.
Run, run, run.
And there's a solo duck. And then there's Nyha and Lala once again.
I love climbing trees. Let's go to our old tree now.
Spin, Nyha.
I also got the very best special version. Please excuse me, I do not want to roll over your feet, Lala.
Woo! How fun is this?
Yeah, I just learned a new trick.
How about you, Lala? Do you think you can do it?
I already know how to do it, but it's scary.
It's you're kind of scared. That's okay. Ready? Okay. Let's go on to our next adventure.
Let's go.
Oh, so you're now climbing this other tree, huh?
Yeah, looks cool. I think climbing trees is cool. Comment down. Oh wait, we can't.
Go. Yes, they can. They go to your Instagram page and comment.
Okay, comment down below on our Instagram page if you love climbing trees. Woohoo!
Instagram page is Nyha and Lala, the sweet life of Nyha and Lala. Guys, help these girls get their subscribers up and follow them.
Yeah, because that will really mean a lot to us.
Right. Good job, Lala. Okay, let's go on. These are called bolivias. And then there's a palm tree. Palm tree, of course. Oh, it's so pretty.
Somewhere around here. Oh, be careful. Look at this. Look. Come on, this way. You gotta stay over here.
Okay. Let's go, girls.
Come on, let's go find a new adventure and find our old tree.
Going to sneak up on some ducks. Oh my gosh, look at this. So pretty. And there's Nyha and Lala feeding the ducks. Save some corn for the other side, girls. They're loving it.
Look at over here. I know that's a lot, but I can go over there with the hoverboard. Let me see.
Here they come to you, girls. Awesome. Okay, save some for the other side.
Oh my.
Nyha, park the hoverboard right there and walk, or just go right there where Lala's at. How awesome. Look it.
Hi, girl.
Don't scare them away. There they are. There they come. Lala, get away from the water, please. Lala, I don't want you to fall. Don't get too close, please. You know what? Oh, cool, Lala. You got them all together. That's so awesome. Look at Lala, guys. What are you feeding the ducks, Lala? They are. What are you feeding them? Hi, Nyha. Lala, what are you feeding the ducks?
I'm feeding them some corn.
They do like this. Oh, this is so awesome.
Got them all together.
Look at the colors, Lala. Look at the white ones.
Ooh, they're pretty. I think they're swamp.
Which ones do you like? They're so beautiful, huh?
All of them. They're pretty.
Let's say some for the other side. This is just so awesome.
Do we have any bread?
Yes, we have a lot of bread right over there. We brought a bunch of bread.
You think I should get them to teach them some?
Guys, and there's Nyha over there. Oh, this is so awesome, Lala. Is this epic, Lala?
Yeah, this is epic. Feeding some ducks? They look hungry.
They don't look hungry. They're just happy. They love for everyone to feed them. You're having them follow you? Look at the other ones over there. Let's see those come to you, Lala. Move. Yeah, walk away. Yeah, spread the corn and let's see if they follow you. Be careful when you're walking close to the water. Hear them? You hear them?
Yeah. Nyha, it's your turn to feed the duck.
Lala, you've done such a great job.
I got them all together. Oh no! There we go.
You see them right by your feet, Lala?
Wow, there's so many.
Did you want to go over there and get some bread?
Yeah, I'll feed them some bread.
You made their day, Lala. You and Nyha are just so good. Nyha, would you like to go get some bread? I think I left it right over there.
Oh, look at that one has a slingshot. Here you go.
Okay. Okay, Nyha. Look how they'll come.
Oh, they love this too.
Yeah, try that. Oh, awesome.
Will I get it in my hand?
They might, yes. Just be patient, watch. Be careful too, girls. They're taking bird baths, splashing around.
Oh, wait. I'm trying to get... I think feeding ducks is fun.
It's so awesome.
Oh, big one there.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Ooh, God bless you.
comment then they're all your favorite. Guys, you should come over here and feed some ducks.
Or go to their nearest park and go feed their ducks and have an adventurous day.
Yeah, look it. I'm making their day. I'm eating the last piece of bread.
There goes Nyha. Hey girls! Woo! Such a beautiful day! Going down the hill?
Yes, it's so cool.
Go down the hill.
Three, two, one. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Oh, this one's hard to fly.
Let's go to the next one then.
Okay.
All right. Hi, Lala.
Hi. Woo! That's a long way.
tree, guys. Here it is. Went all the way around and had such a good adventurous day. It's the park. And Nyha and Lala found their tree.
I found it.
Soon it starts getting colder. It's gonna, all the leaves will be falling. So pretty and green. So luscious green, so beautiful. Okay.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give us a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Hope you have a blessed and safe day. Bye.